to yet another vlog where I'll be taking you with me wig shopping. I'm overdue for another wig, so let's go and see what they have to offer in the market. Now, those are the cornrows, so I've preferred not to wear any wig so that once I get there I can be able to try on the different wigs that they have and record the same for you so that you can have a feel of what they have to offer and just what to expect when you go wig shopping to the same place I'll be going if you're interested. Now, if you're new here, kindly make sure you subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, you, my friend, are my favorite person and I love you. You do not know that yet, but I love you. So let's go. Before I step out, let me submit the perfume of the day. So the perfume of the day is J'adore by Dior. It was a gift from a friend. I think I did a review on this. Oh no, I did a review on the Yves Saint Laurent. Anyway, it's French, but this Dior is amazing. If you like a floral perfume, this is the one to go to. I'll do a detailed review on the same, but for today, let's just have a glimpse of this J'adore by Dior. So guys, we're here and I'm going to show you the different wigs that they have and also try out different wigs and tag the prices on here. So stay tuned, and I'll also leave the contacts in the description box of this video so that you can contact them for directions or even your orders, because they also do deliveries countrywide. Now, if you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe. Let's now go to the different wigs. So the first wig was this one here. It is a semi-human and it's giving yaki vibes or natural hair vibes. You can tongue it, wash it, blow dry it, curl it, right? And it's a closure wig, as you can see. It is not a frontal one. And I got this for 2,300 Kenyan shillings. Now, I really loved this wig because it blends well with the skin tone, with my skin tone that is. If you happen to be chocolate or light-skinned, this brownish blondish color tends to make your skin tone pop more. It brightens up your face. So I really love this. The fact that you can go with it to the office. This is also a semi-human frontal, closure wig, and it is a water wave wig. Once you're combing it, you use water and it helps the curls to pop out even more. And I really like this because I see that curls tend to often I don't know, I look better in curls. I prefer the curls. And remember guys, all the wigs in this video are semi-human hair wigs. This one was also going for 2,500 Kenyan shillings. But if you go there and tell them that I plugged you, they are going to give you a discount. So guys, make sure you go give LATEMA Beauty all your money. So I think we'll move to the next one now. I love this wig. It's also a semi-human. It's an afro wig, and guys, the texture is very nice. Like, it's not tough to the touch, and the fact that you can style it using different sections or whatever, could divide nywele in different sections. It's giving the 90s. I'm not a fan of pixie wigs. It is giving mother-in-law vibes. Guys, this is how I look when I'm someone's mother-in-law and they've come for my mtoto's rurashi or dowry payment ceremony. But it's not too bad. If you're a person who can pull off the pixie wigs, this one is for you. It's quite affordable also. Remember that it is a semi-human and it looks really. Hey, this one is giving Cinderella's evil stepmother. Like I said, I'm not a person who knows how to pull off pixie wigs, but trust me guys, the quality is mwah, it is the best. Ouch, and that was trying to get into my eye, but we move. So This next one was a favorite of mine. Like you can see, the lady at the shop was really complimenting me that this blends with my skin. Again, if I said if you're light skin or chocolate like me, such blonde brown colors tend to brighten your face and make you look several shades lighter. So this is very ideal for the office. You can also wear this when you're going out partying. It's giving rich auntie vibes, Barbie, Kenyan Barbie, African beauty queen. And you don't have to wear it the way I have actually. You can put it at the middle, blah, blah, blah. But I like the side part because it tends to cover my forehead. Now, this one was my best one actually. It is a frontal wig, as you can see. The beauty of this is that you can style it in so many different ways. You can hold it up in a ponytail and you can part it from anywhere you choose. It does not have that already defined partition. You can always choose where to partition it. Like you can see, I've had a side part, and I think side parts really do well for me because guys, just look at that. Just look at that. It's giving first lady vibes. Oh my god, Lillian Mooley. I really, really love this. And this one was going for 3,500 Kenyan shillings. And the curls are just heavenly. Just look at that. Purely heavenly. A semi-human, guys. It's a semi-human hair wig. I really, really, really love this. Guys, give LATEMA Beauty your money.